Have you ever wondered about the floating laboratory that orbits the Earth, known as the International Space Station? A marvel of engineering, the International Space Station, or ISS, is a testament to what can be achieved when nations unite in the pursuit of knowledge. Floating 250 miles above our heads, the ISS serves as an outpost for humanity in the vast expanse of space. It's a beacon of international cooperation, a melting pot of cultures and ideas, all working together to push the boundaries of our understanding. The ISS is not just a symbol, but a tangible working laboratory. Here, astronauts conduct experiments that simply aren't possible on Earth. The zero-gravity environment allows us to study everything from human biology to the fundamental laws of physics in ways we never could before. The story of the International Space Station is an epic saga of human ambition and scientific curiosity. And trust me, it's a story worth telling. Our journey begins in the late 1980s with the convergence of several international space projects. As the decade drew to a close, the world was poised on the precipice of a new era of space exploration. The seeds of an ambitious idea were beginning to germinate. A space station, a home away from home for astronauts and scientists, a laboratory in the heavens. 4 agencies, each on different continents, were independently nurturing this dream. NASA, the American space behemoth, had visions of a space-based outpost for scientific research. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the European Space Agency envisaged a similar project, a platform for long-term exploration and research. To the north, the Canadian Space Agency was also exploring the feasibility of a space station, while over in the east, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency was harboring similar aspirations. For a time, these visions remained separate, each agency working within the confines of their own national borders. But as the decade turned, a radical shift in global politics would change the course of these space projects forever. The Cold War, a decades-long standoff between the United States and the Soviet Union, was drawing to a close. The Iron Curtain was lifting, creating an opportunity for unprecedented international collaboration. The Soviet Union, with its rich history in space exploration, was invited to join the space station project. This was a watershed moment, a step towards an era of space exploration defined not by competition, but by cooperation. The convergence of these separate projects into a single, unified effort marked a monumental shift in the history of space exploration. The various agencies began pooling their resources, their expertise, their dreams. They worked together to design and plan a space station that would be a true testament to the power of international collaboration. This marked the beginning of what would become the most ambitious international collaboration in space. From this genesis, the International Space Station was born, a beacon of unity and cooperation in the vast expanse of space. With the dawn of the new millennium, the construction of the International Space Station commenced. Imagine, if you will, the year is 1998. A powerful Proton rocket lifts off from the Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan, carrying with it Zarya, the first module of the International Space Station. Zarya, meaning dawn in Russian, was aptly named as it represented a new dawn in space exploration and international cooperation. This was the first piece of the puzzle, the cornerstone of what would become a symbol of unity and human achievement, floating in the void of space. Building a space station, however, isn't as simple as it might seem. It wasn't a matter of merely sending up all the parts and bolting them together. Each module had to be launched separately, carried into space by a variety of rockets from different parts of the world. Once in orbit, astronauts and cosmonauts then had to assemble these pieces, a task akin to building a ship in a bottle while wearing mittens. And oh, the challenges! There were delays, technical glitches, and even a collision. Yet each obstacle was met with a solution, each problem with an ingenious fix. Perhaps one of the most significant challenges was the sheer complexity of the station. With hundreds of components, miles of wiring and countless systems to manage, the assembly of the International Space Station was like conducting an orchestra in zero gravity. But these were not just physical hurdles. The International Space Station is a product of 15 nations, each with its own language, culture, and way of doing things. The real triumph, then, was not just in the engineering, but in the diplomacy, the unity of purpose that allowed such a diverse group to work together towards a common goal. The construction of the International Space Station was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It remains a beacon of what we can achieve when we set aside our differences and reach for the stars. Once completed, the International Space Station became a home in the void for astronauts. In this floating microcosm, the astronaut's life takes a rhythm of its own. Their day begins with a wake-up call from the Mission Control Center on Earth, followed by a morning inspection of the station's condition. This routine is crucial as it allows the crew to identify and address any potential issues promptly. Breakfast on the ISS isn't your typical eggs and bacon affair. Instead, astronauts start their day with specially packaged meals designed to provide the necessary nutrients while being easy to consume in zero gravity. This might include a bag of scrambled eggs, a packet of coffee, or a bar of compressed fruit. Following breakfast, the astronauts begin their workday. This could involve conducting scientific experiments, maintaining the station's systems, or even performing spacewalks for repairs or installations. The research conducted on the ISS spans a vast array of disciplines, from biology and physics to astronomy and meteorology, providing insights that are not possible within the confines of Earth's gravity. Exercise is also a crucial part of the daily routine. Due to the weightless environment, astronauts must engage in 2 hours of physical activity each day to combat muscle atrophy and bone loss. This could involve using specially designed treadmills or resistance devices that mimic the effects of gravity. Communication with Earth is a regular part of life on the ISS, both for work and personal reasons. Astronauts receive daily updates from mission control and also have the opportunity to call their families or even use the internet to stay connected with the world below. Despite the isolation and the challenges, the International Space Station is a testament to the power of international collaboration. It is operated by a partnership of 5 space agencies representing 15 countries, making it a truly global endeavor. Life on the International Space Station, though challenging, represents a new frontier for human exploration. As we look to the future, the International Space Station continues to play a crucial role in our spacefaring journey. The International Space Station, this marvel of human ingenuity, is not just a testament to our past, but a key to our future. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, the ISS remains at the heart of our celestial endeavors. In the years to come, the International Space Station is set to become a bustling hub of commercial activity. Public-private partnerships are on the horizon, with companies, both big and small, looking to the stars for their next venture. From research laboratories to space tourism, the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself, but the commercial aspect is just one facet of the ISS's future. The station will continue to be an invaluable platform for scientific research. It offers a unique environment to study everything from human biology and microgravity to the cosmic rays that bombard our planet. The knowledge we gain here will not only benefit life on Earth, but also prepare us for the challenges that lie ahead. And speaking of challenges, the International Space Station is gearing up for perhaps its most significant role yet, serving as a springboard for our journey to Mars. As we plan for the first manned mission to the Red Planet, the ISS provides the perfect proving ground to test technologies, conduct critical research and train astronauts for the long-duration space travel. In essence, as we push the boundaries of our cosmic frontier, the International Space Station continues to be our home away from home. It's a place where we can learn, grow, and prepare for the great leap into the unknown. Indeed, the future of the ISS is as bright as a supernova. And as we venture further into the cosmos, the station will remain instrumental in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. The International Space Station stands as a beacon of human achievement and a stepping stone to the stars. So, the International Space Station, a marvel of human ingenuity and cooperation, continues to orbit our planet. Born out of a desire to explore the vastness of space, it stands as a testament to our species' curiosity and ambition. The conception and construction of the ISS was a feat in itself, a testament to the power of international collaboration. Living aboard the station, astronauts from across the globe experience a unique life, a life that gives us valuable insights into human endurance and adaptability. Amidst the daily routines, scientific experiments and spacewalks, they've woven a tapestry of human experience that is as diverse as it is extraordinary. As for the future, the International Space Station continues to inspire, promising advancements in space technology and fostering the dream of one day humans setting foot on other planets. As we gaze at the stars, the International Space Station reminds us of what we can achieve when we reach beyond our earthly bounds.